Welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, I'll show you how to share a VS Code project easily using a simple method that works for both small and large projects. Stick around to see how you can zip, send, and share your code with just a few clicks. Step 1. Open your project folder in Visual Studio Code. Look for your project name on the left side, then right-click on it. From the options that appear, select Reveal in File Explorer to open it directly in Windows. Step 2. Once the folder is open in File Explorer, you'll see all your project files. This is the actual location of your VSCode project. Go back one level to see the entire project folder so you can compress it properly. Step 3. Now, close VS Code and return to the folder. Right-click on your project folder, go to Send To, and click Compressed Zipped Folder. This step zips your whole project into a single file, making it easy to share. Step 4. Compressing the folder reduces its size significantly. For example, a 41 megabytes folder might shrink to around 9 megabytes. This makes the project easier to upload, send, or store, and it avoids issues with unsupported folder transfers. Step 5. To share your zipped project, open your browser and search for WeTransfer. It's a free tool that lets you send files up to 2 gigabytes without needing to create an account. Just drag your zipped file in, enter the recipient's email, your email, and click Transfer. The recipient will get a download link directly in their inbox, and they'll be able to access your VS Code project exactly as you sent it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more helpful tutorials.